Meanwhile, the Bureau of Customs will check records of gun importations from January to September this year. This, even as the alleged shipment of Glock pistols was denied by a local supplier. Genevieve Factao tells us more.
Customs Commissioner Rufy Biason orders authorities to look into the list of importations of trust trade, the authorized dealer and importer of firearms, and a registered importer of the Bureau of Customs in connection to the alleged anomalous gun deal involving 28,000 pieces of Glock 9mm pistols that arrived at the Manila South Harbor last September 4.
Kinuha namin ang importations ng trust trade sa taong ito. Actually from January 2011 hanggang August 31, 2012. At lumalabas na ang trust trade, ang pinakahuli nilang importasyon ng baril, ng Glock pistols, ay noong June 18. Ito syempre pwede itong patignan kung saan ito napunta at kung ano ba ang documentation nito. Pero June 18 ang huli nilang importation ayon sa aming records. At pina-check ko naman yung buwan ng September 2012, lahat ng importation ng baril or accessories and parts, ito naman ang mga lumabas na kumpanya, hindi kasama ang trust trade.
This after the Director for Operations of Chichi Industries Incorporated, Jocelyn Gutierrez Jose, denied importing 28,000 Glock pistols sometime in August and on September 4. Biason directed his men to verify Chichi Industries' claims and the allegations made by the party list representative Angelo Palmones. Based on the disclaimer made by Chichi Industries and the list of gun importations of Trust Trade Incorporated, there was no importation made by the gun dealer from January to September 2012 on the date August 31. According to the owners, this only proves that the Trust Trade has not done any importation, contrary to the statements of critics who want to destroy the reputation of their company.
Natanggap namin yung sulat mula sa Trust Trade, humihingi ng assistance sa amin na pabulaanan yung allegation na meron silang importation. Sumulat sila sa amin ngayong araw na ito, humihingi ng certification para masabi na wala silang importasyon ng firearms ng September 4 at ganun din ng buong August at September 2012. So, ito naman ay nagtugma doon sa aming nakuha na data mula sa aming system. Lumalabas na tama yung paghingi nila ng certification na sinasabing wala silang importation ng August or September. Ngayon lang ito pumasok.
For People's Television, this is Genevieve Factao.